If you're spending 3 minutes on this SAT math problem, use this shortcut to answer it in under 30 seconds. Here's the hint. It's asking for an expression. That's what it's called when there's no equals sign, okay? This has an equals sign. This is an equation. There's no equals sign. This is an expression, okay? It's asking for an expression. It's not asking for x. So a lot of students would waste a lot of time solving for x, but you don't need to do that here. And the fact that it's asking for an expression, that's your hint that there's a shortcut. Okay, so let's start off by solving this as you normally might. Let's distribute this equation right here, okay? So we've got x going to x, so that's gonna be x squared. We've got x going to this minus 7, so that's gonna be minus 7x. And then we've got this minus 3 going to this x, so now we've got minus 3x. And then we've got this minus 3 going to this minus 7, so now we've got plus 21, okay? And that all equals 10, okay? So now that we've distributed this, now let's combine like terms, and we've got x squared minus 10x plus 21 equals 10. And so now that we've got this, if you were to solve this out for x, you would solve it like a quadratic equation. You'd do minus 10 on both sides, and then you'd have x squared minus 10x plus 11 equals 0. But then you have to solve a quadratic equation, and who's got time for that? And what do we have right here? We have x squared minus 10x. What we're solving for is right there. X squared minus 10x equals 10 minus 21 is minus 11. And, wait a second, hold on. What did it ask for? X squared minus 10x? X squared minus 10x right here. And there you have it. X squared minus 10x equals negative 11. That'll be $150.